For over 30 years, the assessment company has helped organizations eliminate mishires, elevate performance, and decode human potential at scale. We are not an assessment vendor. We are a performance modeling firm. Founded in 1993 by HR professionals, we built our firm around one principle: define success first, then measure alignment. For more than 30 years, we've helped organizations move from instinct-based hiring to structured performance decisions. We don't push whatever is in a product catalog. We tailor every recommendation to your roles, your people, and your business goals. If we're not the right fit, we'll tell you. Then we'll help you find the right solution. This is advisory work, not transactions. We partner with industry leaders like Wiley and TalentClick to deliver validated, research-backed assessments. Tools like PXT Select, Everything Disc, and the 5 behaviors. But tools are not the solution. Structure is. We use these platforms to support defined performance criteria, not replace judgment. Our proprietary occupational DNA methodology defines role-specific success before hiring or promotion decisions are made. Candidates are first measured against clearly defined performance models. Then, within that structure, they can be compared objectively to one another. That's the difference. We don't rely on preference. We rely on defined alignment. At the assessment company, you don't deal with layers of salespeople. You work directly with John Beck and his team. That's not marketing language. It's accountability. Every client receives direct guidance shaped by more than 30 years of frontline experience in structured assessment and performance modeling. We don't outsource clarity. We deliver it personally. Organizations that partner with us experience reduced turnover, stronger hiring accuracy, improved team alignment, more effective leadership, and measurable business outcomes. We measure success by your results. If you want more than guesswork, if you want precision, the next step is simple. Schedule a focused conversation. We'll define what success looks like in your critical roles and determine whether structured performance modeling aligns with your goals. Define success. Measure alignment. Improve performance. Let's build something high impact together. Let's talk. Call us at 1-800-434-2630 or visit heassessmentcompany.com. Define success, measure alignment, and improve performance.